last 3 to 5 years, we've seen a drastic switch in the way we're providing our restorations.
We outsource a portion of our dental laboratory work, and we never could quite get the quality that we wanted, and until we found EnvisionTEC.
3Dent is a digital link between the dentist and the dental laboratory, allowing real-time production of cases between the intraoral scan from the dentist and the manufacturing from the dental lab, so that the dental lab can hold in their hand the case within 2 hours of receiving the scan file from the dentist.
Before we purchased the printer, our normal turnaround time on our product from when we received it from the dentist and returned it was 2 weeks. And again, that was a 20-plus person department that was doing that. It took 2 weeks. And now with the printer, that department is shrunk in half, and I can get the same product out in 4 days.
3Dent has some real key advantages in the marketplace. It allows us to offer the customers a larger build area, faster build time, better resolution, and the look and feel of real gypsum models. We accomplish this by having an 11 by 7¼ inch build area. We can build at 10 millimeters per hour, which is twice as fast as our closest competitor.
In 2002, when CAD/CAM dentistry started to appear in the dental laboratory industry, we were one of the first to embrace it. In the 10 to 12 years that have passed now, manufacturers have a very good handle on what we need in our industry. And in my opinion, it's come down to printers.
The printer that I have right now prints wax patterns for copings and for full cast crowns. And it does it quickly, and it does it extremely accurately.
The Perfectory Micro, you will gain the technology that EnvisionTEC provides when building complex geometries, and especially in the dentistry, when we're building round surfaces, we can achieve a high quality surface finish, and especially when we're casting, and this is very pivotal.
We've never been able to approach the 80% of the market that couldn't afford large ticket pieces of equipment. Now this piece of equipment at a low price point allows these labs that have been passed over by manufacturers to get into this. That makes it a gateway piece of equipment.
After receiving the Perfectory Micro machine, you will be able to pull it out of the box, put it on your table, and within an hour you'll be able to print.
The Micro is a really versatile piece of equipment in that it can cure multiple materials. If you purchased it today, you could produce wax to be cast or pressed, or you could produce a nanocomposite to make temporary restorations from.
With CAD/CAM and 3D printing, it allows us to produce a larger volume of restorations than we could ever do before. It was always a rule of thumb, for every 100 units that we would provide on a daily basis, we would need about 25 employees, 25 technicians. Today we're seeing 100 units can be provided with 4 or 5 technicians.